Hello, my name is Kenneth Favron, and I went into this summer with the Sherman Scholars and Bioinformatics group thinking that it wouldn't be as great as it was. I think going into it, I had the assumption that it would be hard for a lot of programs to adjust to this pandemic and to take everything online. However, I think they did a great job at keeping it fun, keeping it engaging so that you actually felt like you were learning and building relationships with the students. So overall, I felt they made it so you didn't really feel like you were at home. Yes, you're staring at a screen, however, it was just as engaging as if you were in the same room with everyone. So I feel like they did a really great job toning to the environment that we're in.
Hi, my name is Cassidy, and during the summer 2020, I had the opportunity of taking part in the Bioinformatics virtual summer course, but more importantly, the Race and Health seminars held by Dr. Leona Hess. I thought that they were a breath of fresh air because this is the first time that we were able to put together the cultural aspects and scientific aspects of medicine in one complete course. I think that it's important to talk about the social determinants of health and the health disparities, because then we are able to recognize our own biases that we come into the medical field with, and we're also able to recognize when somebody is being discriminated against in healthcare. This allows us to demand for an equitable healthcare, accessible healthcare, and more importantly, healthcare for the people.
What's up, y'all? My name is Joshua Sr. I was an Intro to Bioinformatics student for the summer of 2020, and my favorite part about the program was the final coding project. It was a project culminating in what we had learned in biology and coding up until the final week, and it allowed us to actually apply our learnings to something that was very prevalent and relevant to our status quo, the COVID-19 pandemic.
And what our final project allowed us to do was to track the trends of COVID-19 within New York City using what we had learned about immune system diseases in our bio classes and what we had learned about tracking trends in our coding classes, and just seeing how different safety precautions such as mask wearing and contact tracing really affects the spread of COVID-19 in the different 5 boroughs. So it was a really cool project that I got to work on, and I'm really excited that it taught me a lot about being a bioinformatician.
Hi everybody, I'm Miriam and I attended the CEYE Bioinformatics program summer of 2020. One of my favorite parts of the program probably had to be the Eportfolio portion because it was super fun and interesting to do. Within the Eportfolio portion, 2 parts I really enjoyed were firstly where we wrote our taglines. I didn't have a tagline coming into the program, but it was super fun to write one, and it really helped me figure out who I was as a person and what I represented, which was really nice. And another part I really enjoyed, probably my favorite part of the Eportfolios, was where we wrote what we perceive as our best possible selves. And as someone who came into the program not really knowing what I wanted to do with my life, this was super helpful because it really got me thinking and asking myself, where do I want to be in the future? What do I want to achieve and who do I want to be? And this really helped me form an idea of what I might want to do in the future, which was really, really, really helpful. So yeah, overall the program was really fun and interesting, super informative, and honestly, overall such a great experience. So yeah, bye.
Favorite moment in the bioinformatics program would have to be the final project. I particularly enjoyed this because I got to make new friends with my group members, and we talked and we got to know stuff about each other. We cultivated our skills in coding into a final group project which we presented together and made the best time of it. CEYE's bioinformatics program is a great program for kids that want to learn, have fun, and overall extend their learning prowess. I highly recommend this program, and I truly loved my experience with it.